Good morning and welcome to your 10-minute morning meditation for positive energy. Find a comfortable seated position, gently close your eyes, and let's begin. Take a deep breath through your nose, filling your lungs with air. Hold for a moment and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension. Continue this soothing breathing pattern to center yourself and let go of any stress or worries. Continue to breathe deeply, focusing on each inhale and exhale. Feel the rhythm of your breath calming your mind and relaxing your body. Let each breath deepen your sense of peace and presence in this moment. As you breathe, set a positive intention for your day ahead. Visualize yourself moving through the day with ease, positivity, and productivity. Repeat silently or aloud, I am filled with positive energy and ready to embrace the day. Bring to mind 3 things you're grateful for today. Reflect on each one deeply, allowing yourself to feel genuine gratitude filling your heart. Let this gratitude uplift your spirit and set a positive tone for your day. Visualize a radiant ball of golden light above your head, glowing with positivity and warmth. With each breath, feel this light descending through your body, from the top of your head to the tip of your toes. Imagine it infusing every cell with positive energy, revitalizing you from within. As you continue to breathe deeply, take a moment to reflect on the positive energy you've cultivated during this meditation. Visualize yourself embracing the opportunities and challenges of the day ahead with clarity and determination. Feel the sense of calm and readiness spreading throughout your body and mind. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. May your day be filled with joy and fulfillment. Thank you for joining me in this morning meditation for positive energy. Carry this sense of peace, gratitude, and positivity with you throughout your day. If you enjoyed this meditation, please like and subscribe to my channel for more guided meditations. Take care.